Stella Science. Today we're going to learn about animals that have opposable thumbs. We're going to tape our thumbs back with duct tape, and we're going to go around and do our everyday things, and we're going to see how much we really use our thumbs. I have my duct tape. Let's get started. Okay, here's the next challenge, the doorknob. I don't even know how this is going to work. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Let's get some more water over here. This ought to be easy. Now to get the actual drink. I did it. Wow. Didn't do very well with that. Cooking beans over there. I need to go stir them. They smell really good. Let's go see if I can use my spoon. Okay, this lid may not be too hard. Be careful though, it's hot. It's a skinny spoon, so I think I can put it around my fingers here. I'm going to have to use both hands, so. Okay, we're going to try now writing without my thumbs. I can hold my pen this way. Okay, I was able to a little bit. See? Okay, let's try making a sandwich. Do this. This might be hard here. Okay. This is a little challenging here. Ah, that's not bad. So I was able to open the peanut butter and the jelly. I don't know if I could if the lids were on real tight though. If you don't like peanut butter sandwich, you might like putting in a cup. This might be hard to open. Maybe I could do it this way. That was a fun experiment, but it was kind of hard. I'm ready to take these off. Learning about opposable thumbs, pretty cool today. Till next time, bye.